Yeah.
Say
Okay.
thank you.
What's in there? Look at that!
Isn't that darling?
Mason, get out of the way, please.
Mason, stand over there beside Emma, please, or sit down.
What do you think of that? Isn't that cute?
Mrs. O, it's okay. Next.
I'm gonna look at
Next.
Look at that.
This is from Shannon. This is from Shannon.
Green eggs and ham.
Oh, look. Does Shannon have kids?
A couple of them.
What's a shiny green egg?
Yeah, that we know.
It is a
Got two
shine.
of
It's a
them.
party edition.
A boy and a girl.
This? Which one?
Truthfully.
This big one?
No.
She wants her cup.
Yeah, she can have the cup. I just... You
Thanks,
bring that
Mace.
Pokemon?
Mason, that's enough. No more cookies, please.
I'm hungry.
Okay, but no more cookies.
You do? Ashley. What's in there? I don't know how that opens. We're gonna have to. Oh, it's taped. We'll have to figure that out.
I can untape it.
Can you?
Why don't we get each of them a knife?
It's got like that. Yeah. And then we need some scissors.
We don't have any. Next. Trust me, boy.
David, that
They're not in there.
you're leaning against.
You're over here, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but you don't carry scissors, okay? I'll leave it on. No, sir.
Hey, I figured
Oh,
it
Emma
out.
got it.
We don't need scissors.
Watch your finger.
The way they
Okay,
package
wait a
things,
minute,
it's almost
wait a minute,
impossible
wait
to even get into them.
Need those scissors.
Mason, back up. That's Ashley.
She liked the
Yeah.
books and that little thing.
Do you want me to do that and open up with something else?
Hey, Ashley, how about we open this? Okay.
Now, what is this?
Can you put that in there?
Oh, that's me.
Mason, can you slide over just a little bit, buddy?
Who is this from?
Lee and Harding. Lee and Harding. You didn't believe me?
Okay.
I don't know why they
Oh.
package things so hard anymore.
And it's all with things that are dangerous for children.
Yes. Oh, isn't that cute?
Oh.
They actually have statistics about how many people end up in the hospital with they call it package rage. If people end up,
She got
yeah,
sticky
they
stuff.
were talking about packaging, and